Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trade ideas for the week starting the 19th of November 2018. Let's start with a little recap of the trades based on the levels from the previous weekly ideas videos. Let's start with the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. There was a short level based on those heavy volumes. This was the short level and it got hit on Monday. Very nice reaction to the level, so there was a nice intraday winner based on this strong resistance zone. And also I want to show you the reaction on the Japanese yen, on the US dollar Japanese yen, because there was a swing short level, and the swing short was based on this rejection of higher prices and in this volume cluster created within the rejection. And actually there were two chances to take the profit from this trade. The first reaction was right there. There was the first reaction when the price touched the short level. And secondly, if you held the position, if your profit target didn't get reached with this reaction, then there was strong reaction right there on Friday. So hopefully everybody already took their profits from this short level. Alright, so this was one intraday level on the Australian dollar Japanese yen and one swing level on the US dollar Japanese yen. And let's now have a look at the new levels, and let's start with intraday levels and let's have a look at the 30-minute chart of the US dollar Japanese yen. Alright, so here we go, US dollar Japanese yen, 30-minute chart. There is a new strong resistance zone on the US dollar Japanese yen right there. This is the resistance zone. The level is based on the volume accumulation setup. The volumes got accumulated in this area. Those are the heavy volumes which got accumulated in this rotation. Afterwards, you can see that strong sell-off started on Friday. This is the strong sell-off. And because of this sell-off, I think that those heavy volumes within this area were volumes of strong sellers who were accumulating their selling positions there. And afterwards they initiated this strong sell-off. So when the price makes it back to this area, those sellers are likely to defend their selling positions and they'll push the price downwards again. Another strong resistance is on the US dollar Swiss franc. This is a 30-minute chart of the US dollar Swiss franc, and the strong resistance is right there. And you can see that there were pretty heavy volumes accumulated in this area, and afterwards strong sell-off started. This strong sell-off on Friday, and I think that those volumes accumulated before the sell-off were volumes of strong sellers who were adding to their selling positions there, and afterwards they started this strong selling activity. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those sellers will defend their selling positions and they'll push the price downwards. Another strong intraday level which I would like to show you is on the CL, which is the crude oil. It's futures for crude oil. This is the short level and it's based on heavy volumes which got accumulated throughout this whole rotation area. You can see that the volumes were pretty massive there, and from this place strong sell-off started. Really strong sell-off. So what I see is that market opened, then strong sellers were building up their positions in this rotation, and afterwards they initiated this strong sell-off. So I think that when the price makes it back to this level again, those sellers with those heavy volumes will defend their selling positions and they'll start aggressive selling activity and they'll push the price downwards. Alright, so this is another intraday level which I wanted to show you, and let's now move on to the swing levels. Alright, so this is euro dollar. It's a daily chart of euro dollar, and there is a pretty strong selling activity on the euro, pretty strong sell-off, and this is the low of this year, and from the low of this year strong buying activity started. This strong buying activity, and currently what I see is that there were pretty heavy volumes accumulated in this area. Then there was strong rejection of higher prices. So this strong rejection of higher prices and another strong selling activity. There's 3 red candles, alright? This is strong sell-off. And then the price returned to this level again. Price is currently at the resistance level. And I think that there is a big chance that those sellers with those heavy volumes will be defending their volumes there. So it's likely that from this place they'll push the price downwards again. This swing short level is a bit risky, and the reason is this strong rejection of lower prices of the yearly low. Alright? This could be a trend reversal and the price could just shoot past this level because the low of the year is a really strong level, you know. It could really make a temporary change in the trend. So this is why the short is a bit risky, but I think that it's definitely worth taking because those volumes and this strong rejection are a pretty good confirmation of the resistance zone. So there is a pretty high chance that the price will turn and it will go into a sell-off again, but there's also the risk that the price will go past the level. But I think that in this case it's worth to take the risk. Alright, so the last level I'm going to show you in this video is on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Again, this is a daily chart, and there is a strong buying activity on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, alright? And in such cases, I look for volume clusters which were created within the trend. In this case, there is a significant volume cluster right there. It was built up in this area, and I think that the buyers who are currently pushing the price upwards were adding to their buying positions there in this area. Those are their volumes. Alright, so when the price makes a pullback to this level again, to this support, I think that those buyers will be defending their buying positions. They'll try to defend their positions, and from the place where the volumes were the heaviest, in this volume cluster, they'll push the price upwards again. Alright, so that's it for the weekly trade ideas. I hope you found them interesting and I hope you liked them. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video, and until then, happy trading!